Real Life Vlogs. Thank you for hitting that play button. Thank you for coming back again. Y'all, today is a beautiful day. You want to know why? She got on jeans and a blue jean jacket and a t-shirt and some slides because it's been so hot. So today we had so much rain, like early this morning, all afternoon, and guess what? It cooled us down to like 60 something. But I'm at the park walking, and let me show y'all some scenery, okay? Impressive, huh? Y'all get outside and get some exercise. I'm gonna tell y'all, work on your health. You ain't got nothing else. That's your wealth, okay? All right. Hey, y'all. Hey, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing, because she's been good. She's been good. Y'all know I've been good. I need y'all to throw your hands up, say a prayer. She been good. Y'all, I went to go use the bathroom at Habitat for Humanity, okay? Okay? Y'all know I'm strong, right? Y'all know I'm strong. Mentally, right? They got me. They done got me. Look at this. Oh my Lord, y'all. Oh my God. Let me show y'all. But it's so small and it just fits so perfect. Look at this. Hold on, let me bring y'all closer. Y'all know good and doggone well she ain't need that. Even though it say, let's turn it around. Even though it says that it was only $45, they gave it to me for $30. What? Y'all know I haven't had done mirror. Making sure ain't nothing wrong with it, okay? I ain't really got no tech. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. $30. I've been good though. Charge it to my heart, not my head. Y'all see me over time. We're gonna put some little stuff on here, but I don't have nothing in this space, y'all. Nothing. So at least I'll be able to set my bag down on it. I'll call you right back. Cause I'll call you back. Y'all know she been good. I've been so good that I even cleaned out my vacuum, y'all. The whole thing, let me show y'all. All this was so dirty. I cleaned all of this. The outside, I cleaned this part. Always keep your vacuums clean. I cleaned out all of that. I got the hair off the bristles. Look at that. I did a good job. So all I have to do now is put, let's see. I cleaned the filter. It goes in here. So let's put that in there. Yeah, don't get me. I've been doing so good. I've been doing so great. Y'all know I have. Y'all know I have. You can't get mad. We got a brand new vacuum, y'all. And I cleaned that. How about it? All right. This actually needs to be charged. So I'm gonna charge it. The plug's right here. Why light ain't on? Oh, there it is. Light is on. Let this thing charge. In the meantime, let's get back to business. I've been doing some great things, y'all. You see something different over there? That's gone. It's right here. It's right here. I think I'm gonna donate it, or I'm gonna see if my daughter wants it. If she doesn't want it, I'm gonna donate it. But like some of this stuff here, matter of fact, this here, I still gotta find that gold top. This is gonna go here, okay? Because I'm gonna honestly use this all the time. This is the jojoba oil. And this is my dish soap. So yeah, once I find the top for that, that's where this is gonna go. And then this I can set inside the tub. And then this I can put in the drawer. And this is air freshener. And then this here, I probably will set it like in the corner of the tub. And yeah, the whole idea is I'm just getting tired of the things being out where I can see them. I'd rather have them inside and closed where can't nobody see it as well. So, and then I'm deleting things. So we're in my video space, So y'all, I was telling y'all in the last vlog, I did put the hats. Oh, y'all can't see that. I put the hats over here. So the hats are gonna stay here. I like that. The hats are inside the closet with the coats, okay? Y'all, I did not realize it is tax free day. I came to Target to get clean stuff. Man, this parking lot is full. Look, it's cars all over the place. Even look behind me. Like, what? Look at that. So let's go in here and get some cleaning stuff if we can. I'm gonna see if I can vlog while I'm in here. Whew. Y'all, they still got some. Aren't they pretty though? I need to get from over here. There's the tax free. Y'all, I came back on because I almost forgot. I wasn't gonna come back on. I'm exhausted. So when y'all seen me earlier, that was break time, okay? It's probably 6. It's 5, it's almost 5:30. And I'm just now getting home. I am tired today. I'm tired. But y'all saw what I picked up from Target. I only got the one cleaner, and I was gonna do the haul today, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm so tired. It ain't no haul from Target. It's just a haul from things that I had put in the buffet console. What else? It's just some things here and there that I just forgot. But I'll show y'all one thing I'm gonna do right quick. We're gonna take this plant. It's too big right there, because every time it's dark and I try to leave out the restroom or you walk down the hall, I almost tend to bump it over. So I'm going to move that into the kitchen because there's a lot of light in the kitchen. And then I'm going to show you a couple things I'm going to spray paint this evening once I take a nap. So this big thing, she's going in the kitchen right now. Okay? Y'all, she's heavier and bigger than I thought. Oh, well, she's perfect right here. I'll probably have to turn her around some more here and there, but she's perfect right there. She's perfect. I can open it. Okay. We'll figure it out where I don't have to. We'll figure it out, like where I open and close it like that. The leaves don't get caught up in there. We'll work on that. But I know later on I'm spray painting this face, the bottom of this. And I'm going to spray paint. See that space right there now? It's just open. See that? It's just open. So that's cool. And then I got enough plants. We got enough plants over there. I'm going to try to take this off and get this spray painted as well. I don't like it. I don't like that rose goldish peach color. So I'll pick y'all up on a whole nother day. I'm tired. Your girl got to go. I'll see y'all later. I'll call y'all back. Good morning today. Oh, God. I sound terrible. Good morning. I am washing. Today is wash day. I got all my colors. I got my scent beads in there. Let's throw all that in there. Remember these, y'all? These work really, really good. They put those in there. I'm going to use, let me see. I'll use 2. 1, 2. Just turn it on. Well, you just throw them in there. Throw them in there on top of the clothes. Like that. Yeah, I've been up, moving, shaking, doing a lot of things, getting stuff done. I'll show you in a minute. I cleaned up some things in the bathroom. All right, it's locked. It's ready to go. So I think I'll do the stuff I wanted to show y'all today. I'm not sure yet. I cleaned my house broom. Like, it was dirty on the edge. I don't like that. Yes, I just got it leaning in the sink for now. I put out a new towel because I got the other towel in the wash. This is what I need to hang in the bathroom. This is really cute. You have to put the adhesive strips in first. So I had to put these two things right here in first before I can actually put my product. So that's why I got that right there. So yeah, y'all, just been getting some stuff done. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're back. So if y'all hear any noise, I'm letting y'all know ahead of time. Neighbors, neighborhood, people are doing stuff in their yard. Okay, let's get into the video. So first things first, I'll show y'all our outfit of the day if I don't forget at the end. But I got 2 bags here. These are donations. I'm donating this. If y'all remember, with that little V. This is a little bit too big. It's a medium, too big. And then I got these white jeans. These are part of, like, I'm not gonna say favorites, but I did like these, but they don't fit right. These are the Articles of Society. Really good jeans. Y'all remember when I bought these? Since I bought them, I wore them maybe one time. I told you if I don't gravitate to stuff on a regular, I get rid of it. And y'all know the acrylic shelf, because we opted out for something else that don't take screws, which I can take with me. I don't have to worry about, oh, I gotta screw it on the wall. Okay. So what I got to show you that's new is I've been looking for, now a couple of these things have been washed. I just did this for video, okay? I've been looking for a white shirt. Y'all, this is the Goodfella. So I know Goodfella, this is Goodfella Target. This was $1.50 for one day. I like the fact that it has like the little thing right here. It's long sleeve. Now it does have, even though I washed it, it does have a little, like a pin stain, but it doesn't matter. This was originally, is this the price for that? Wait a minute, I might be confused, hold on. I think this was originally $28, yeah. One of these, wait a minute, which one is what? Oh yeah, the Goodfella. Yeah, this was originally $28. I can throw this away now because y'all already seen it. But I got me a white shirt and it's 100% cotton. I love it. So I can wear it over stuff. So I'm gonna hang that up in my closet because I got a couple of free hangers now that we got rid of that. Okay. And then what else? I got this white shirt. This taupe shirt, which I absolutely like this. This is the universal thread, y'all. Ribbed. See the neck? Yes, ma'am. Yes, y'all know this is my color. I love it. So this was, like I said, been washed, but I put this back on for the camera. Got this long sleeve. You can throw it with jeans, anything. I like it, like it. And this was, it had a clearance tag on it, but this is universal thread. I don't know. Do y'all really care about the prices? But anyway, that's what was on there, okay? That's what was on there. I can go. I didn't wash this because I don't know, y'all. I didn't think I needed to, but I might wash it anyway. But this is, look at this dress. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look how long it is, y'all. And it's ribbed. Look at it. Look. I kept looking for, this is a small. First I seen a medium. I wanted an extra small, but they didn't have one. This was $28 original. I got it for $1.50. So everything I showed y'all was $1.50. And I bought one of my children a man's t-shirt. So yeah. So these, oh, and y'all are not gonna believe this. I'm gonna throw in a video. Okay, right quick. I'm at the Goodwill. Look. Do y'all see this? When the Spirit leads you, let him lead you. This book, do y'all know this book is $40? I've been looking for a book. Every time I go to the thrift stores, y'all know I go to Habitat for Humanity. I look for books, decor books. I got this book for $1.50. And this is my other decor book that y'all probably see me. This is from the bins though. Don't worry about that little spot on there. We just hide it with decor. But all my decor books, I said I'll be patient and I wait to get them from the thrift store. So, oh my gosh. And the fact that when I take this cover off, Look how that looks, y'all. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh gosh, I'm so excited about this. I cannot believe $40 book for $1.50. Okay, I don't know where we're gonna place it, so y'all stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna be decorating that entryway table because I'm gonna be letting some of this, yeah. So guys, I picked up 2 candles. These were in my cabinet, so I couldn't remember. One is this is saddlewood, and this one is sea salt and sage. Okay, I'll show you what they look like. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna need like some type of marble base or wood to set these on. Like I can move the base around the house, but that's what they look like, y'all. Absolutely beautiful, and they smell so good, and they're soy candles. Okay, that's what they look like. And then I also picked up some raw sugar daily scrub salt polish. Now this was $3. I didn't care. I just went on and got it. This is where I got those clothes from. And then this was $1. The native, this smells so good. This is the juniper and ginseng deodorant. Even though I made my own, for $1 you can't beat it. Oh, and these were $1. And then last but not least, y'all, I found a bag of organic potting mix, Miracle Grow Indoor Outdoor Mix. This was $3, $3. Okay, so today I got the clothes and the raw sugar. I got this. So yeah, guys, that's it. So hold the line, and I'm gonna show y'all outfit of the day. All right, so this is where I keep all my stash, y'all. So let's put the candles right here. And I'll do them like that, and then I got my little wax melts right there. So, oh my God, I can't wait till we place our book somewhere. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, the hair is hairing. So we're gonna get ready to go. So I have on this cream hoodie, okay? And it has the pockets. Y'all know I have on my balloon pants that has like the cutouts, my sandals. They kind of remind you of those Birkenstocks, y'all, okay? And I have on this bag. I love this bag, y'all. It's cream. It has multiple pockets and insert, everything in here because I do plan on running today. So yeah, I need to be able to carry everything that I need to carry in here, okay? All right, y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me again. Let me know what was your favorite part of the video, y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Always remember to do what? Love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. And like I said, in the next video, we'll decorate that console table. Bye, y'all. Bye.